Whenever a coach joins my Facebook group, I ask a few questions in order to get in. And one of those questions is something like, what do you need help with? And so I was reviewing that list of answers recently in order to get some ideas for some content because I'm always putting out these YouTube videos. And believe it or not, I run out of ideas every now and again. So I was reviewing the answers, and one of the coaches put, I'm just starting out. No. See, I tried to memorize it and I didn't remember it. But she put, I'm not up and running yet, but I want to start on the right foot. And so when I saw that, I thought, oh my gosh, that's perfect. You found the exact right place because, in case you didn't know, I'm Sha-day Johnson and I teach coaches how to set up and streamline the back end of their coaching business so that they can get paid consistently and without the tech overwhelm. So I am just the person to help you figure out what you need to do in order to get started on the right foot. So I'm going to answer this quickly and with only two things that you need to do. The first is you need to go ahead and download my free Stop Overthinking Tech Roadmap for Coaches because it's literally made for you to get started on the right foot in your coaching business with all of the systems that you need that will work together seamlessly in the background. But also, it includes the second thing that you need to do, which is go ahead and get signed up for Paperbell, because that's going to be the secret sauce to make sure all of these systems work together seamlessly. Now, what is Paperbell? Paperbell is an all-in-one tool that handles scheduling, contract signing, payments, and client management, and it's specifically made for a coaching business. So if you're just getting started right now, you probably are in the research phase and you've come across, let's see, Dubsado, Kajabi, Honeybook. I'm sure there's more that I'm forgetting right now off the top of my head, but basically you're probably in a spiral not right now thinking, oh my gosh, well, which one is actually the best? So I'm just going to answer it for you. It's Paperbell. And the reason is because it's going to bring all of these systems together so that way you can actually just focus on making money, getting clients, and coaching rather than getting stuck in the tech spiral. There's also a secret third step for you, which is if you want my help with setting up your Paperbell system so that it's fully automated and you get it all done within 3 days instead of taking maybe 3 months to get it done, you can go ahead and get signed up for my mini course, Booked and Automated. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. Now, if you're also a coach who is just getting started, let it be known in the comments of this video. You can leave a little hand raising emoji. You can type me. I want to get to know you. And don't forget to subscribe because now you know you found your amazing coaching business resource. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.